Hello, what's going on, guys? My name is Visually and welcome to my channel. In this video, basically I'm just giving you guys an art reveal. I just finished a painting and I gotta say it's one of the most beautiful paintings that I ever did so far. Okay, there's always goals to beat. Okay, it's always levels to get to accomplish, you know. But anyway, I want to talk about, basically not even talk about, just share with you guys, you know, everything, what I did, the hiccups that I had, the hacks that I tried, and basically, do I really recommend them? Okay, this is gonna be a nice quick video, but before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you get to the end of this, make sure to drop a like and leave a comment. Okay, so let's go ahead. First things first, I found a reference online somewhere, okay, and I posted the reference to my threads, and I was like, oh, I'm about to paint this. I have no clue where this photo came from. If you see this, say something to that extent. I'm gonna put the post up here, and thankfully the person came out and was just like, hey, that's that's me. Hello, okay, that's me, and I can't wait to see what you do. So if you are watching this video, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think, okay? Now, for this painting, I wanted to be simple. Beautiful, but simple, okay? And when I think about that, I think of the beach, I think of the water, I think of nighttime, midnight type of sunrise-ish kind of thing. That's what comes to mind. And that's what I did, okay? So then I used the reference to help me sketch on the canvas. I did not record that process. As you will see, when I paint and when I, draw, I do not like the process of recording because I feel like it's a distraction, even me putting this video together, I was like, oh, I gotta put a video out, and I'm getting down to the nitty gritty because I gotta make it look good. But it was just like, do I have to do this? And it's like, yes, you do. You wanted to paint, you wanted to show it off, and this is what you gotta do. Okay, but I will show you what I did record. Okay, here go the first thing. Okay. I have took this photo, basically just showing a hack that I came up with because I didn't have anything to cover the section, basically the woman's form in the side of the painting, basically the main thing in the painting. I didn't have anything to cover it up, and I just didn't want to make it messy, okay, and do more work than I had to. Okay, so what I ended up doing, I found some paper, taped two pieces of paper together, copied, traced out the silhouette, cut the silhouette, put a little bit of Mod Podge on the back of the paper, and just bam, stick it right there. That's what I did. And what do I think about that hack? If I was to rate it, I would give it a 4 out of 10. Just because things got a little messy. Okay. First of all, it stayed up there a little bit longer than what I planned because I didn't paint the sky the right color. I wanted to make it darker. Everything wasn't mixing how it was supposed to mix. Everything wasn't flowing, and basically I had to fix my errors, but they're not errors. They're beautiful mistakes. Isn't that what Bob Ross said?
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
So the next part was painting the female form, painting basically the main part of the painting. And I have fun with, basically doing the skin tone. 'Cause I love to make, brown skin glow and glisten and all of that. But when it comes to painting fabric, it could get tricky. It could get tricky up in there. I tried, and I think I did a good job. Being what I know, I have to do a couple more studies, basically. But when it comes to white, white clothing and paint and basically paintings and illustrations and stuff like that. With me, I don't use the gray as the shadow color. I use blue as the shadow color. Why? Because to me, it makes it more pronounced. When it comes to certain things, yeah, I might do the gray as the shadow. But when it comes to different clothing and making it glow, yeah, using blue as the shadow color, I feel, is, what gets everything popping for me. What makes everything stand out. So I did that, and again, since I'm such a perfectionist, I wanted to add more detail to it. So I added some details using color pencil, which is another process that I did not record. That's how things get done, The best parts are not recorded. Like I said before, it's a beautiful piece. I love it. I like it. Now, I wanted to add more, but I chose not to because I have this thing where I feel as though something is never ever done. Like, this is the final painting. When it came out, the final result, the art reveal. Okay, I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching the video and the art reveal. Make sure you like and subscribe. And basically, yeah, just let me know what you guys feel. Should I do more of these art reveal videos? How are you guys feeling? How you feeling about it? I kind of like it, a little quick art reveal. Oh, look at what I did, and then bye. I could do this. All right, but anyway, thank you so much. Again, my name is Visual Lee. Thanks for stopping by. We're gonna work on the catchphrase. We're not there yet.